definitely Swami Sachidananda, who left just now. Here, blessed with all these people around. I thank Almighty God for this opportunity. Definitely, this COVID time was a very tough time for all of us. We lost around 30 people in this small area alone. But it is the grace of God that we are still standing. We are fighting against the disease. And I give you only one message: be together. And be together, and please don't get frightened about the disease. Only scientific community can deal this sort of epidemic, and though we were culturally doing this before also, now it is proved that scientific community can deal any sort of dilemma in today's world. Now vaccines are available. Please, all of you, go for the vaccine and protect yourself. Protect you from the disease first and help others not to spread the disease to the community. And one point which I would like to highlight is in this locality, the nearby locality, you can say that we are blessed with one Mariamman Kovil here. The word Mari is the epidemic, the word for epidemic we used to use in our culture, ancient India. So it is we are also blessed. The reminiscence of that is being here as a Mariamman Kovil next. So Mari was the word used for the epidemic, and today also, though in another word we are using another word like COVID, the diseases like COVID, and such was the place that was actually an isolation place on those days for the deceased ones. So our culture, I just wanted to highlight that our culture is so rich that we have dealt this sort of situation through the centuries. But today, in a different way, maybe a modernized way we are talking, we have a different mode of dealing with that. Anyhow, thank you very much. Thank you very much for all my friends of SK Garden for dealing this and honoring me for the small job which I have. I am Dr. Thomas, belonging to Tania Health Center of SK Garden.
Shankar practicing in JC Road, JC Nagar. So it's my pleasure that I'm invited for this diagnostic, and we all together are fighting for the pandemic that's going on. And as the doctor said, we should all be together to fight this pandemic. Thank you.
Well, first of all, we are very happy that the beautiful and very huge gathering is here, and we are celebrating Independence Day in a very good gathering and good friends. And we are, first of all, I thanks all the SK Garden residents, peoples, that the good huge gathering is here. From few years I was seeing that not much gathering, and we were not able to celebrate Independence Day. But this year what we are noticing that all SK Garden people's brotherhood, we live here. SK Garden is such an area, people give examples of SK Garden, that all good neighborhoods and all, we don't bother any religion here. We are all one, we live like one. And I request all our SK Garden Association peoples that we have some roads repair here. So we have to contact the MLA immediately, and we have to some roads are not exactly proper here. We are feeling very difficulty for those things. If we have such good gathering, the same way we can approach some works and we will fulfill the works. And I'm General Secretary of Russell Market Traders Association. Thank from my bottom of the heart for such a huge gathering and welfare association.